Well, good morning. Day 3, Sunday. The boys are out here fishing behind me and I'm about to join them. It's pretty cold this morning. I wouldn't really expect this in Noosa, but it's been a lot colder than what we're used to, but we're usually here in summer. So anyway, last night we caught that dart and we cooked that up. So I think you would have seen some footage of that. We've got a heap of pippies, so we might catch a few more for bait this morning. We're going to head over to the Rainbow Beach side and do some fishing over there and finally launch the Tinny, so that'll be good. Other than that, I don't really know what's going to happen today, so I'll have to record a heap of footage and we'll see what happens. I say that a lot, we'll see what happens, but I think that's kind of just how things are going and how things go with this channel, I guess. So yeah, stay tuned and hopefully we catch some really big fish today. I've got the good luck charm with me. His name is Jacob Whittingham, so let's see if we can get some good fish.
For a long time?
Yeah.
What, mate? Have you seen those spurs?
I haven't ever touched one, but
Those. You do not want to get them stuck in you.
do it for the camera. For the grams.
I've done before.
Ask me again, Mitch.
Hey Jack, what's this?
That's its nipple, Mitch.
Yeah, really natural. Well, that's pretty close to not fitting.
Does it fit or not?
Not really. I'm worried it'll fall.
Well, so cinematic.
Cut to it all
Yeah.
done. To make a cool sequence,
Hey?
like a fast-paced Edgar Wright sequence.
I wouldn't know how to do that, mate. Oh, that was actually mad. Do that again.
Yeah, your camera's supposed to follow it. That's the trick.
No, I can't do
So
that.
if I go down, your camera goes down. You know what I mean?
Just do the flippy dog thing again.
If I spin the
Just
tongs, you spin the tongs too. You get it?
Yeah. Still
I'll do it one
more
more time.
Okay, Peter McKinnon.
Well, it would look like Peter McKinnon if you did the Edgar Wright sequence.
Alright, we're out here, Rainbow Beach. We're about to put the Tinny in for the first time ever. We're really hoping that it's gonna float, and we're really hoping that the motor starts, but I'm pretty confident that both of those things are gonna happen.
Reality is often disappointing.
So, Jacob, Jordan, myself are gonna launch it, and we'll try and get a video of the first launch, and hopefully the first float. Woohoo! Keen as. Check how deep it's going in.
A few little waves now, actually.
Unfortunately, the motor didn't work, so we only achieved one of two objectives, and those were the boat floating and the motor working. And the motor didn't work, but we ended up having to row about 500 meters back into shore, which wasn't super fun. We're able to use a bit of degreaser just to start the motor to help us along a little bit, but it's just doesn't seem to be sucking fuel, so I'm gonna have to fix that. And then I guess after that it should work, but other than that, I'm happy that it floats. I'm happy that it seems to do everything it needs to do other than actually run. So it's a project boat, and hopefully we'll be able to get it running in the next day or so, but we may have to wait till we get back to Toowoomba and get someone who actually knows what they're doing to look at it. But well, 1 out of 2 ain't bad.
Now's a good time. Now's a good time. Get the beats going. I love that you're filming my forehead. It's so nice for me.
All I do is close-ups.
All I do is win no matter what.
Set.
When I step up in the building, everybody's hands go up.
And they stay there!
And they stay there. It's just the state of my mind.
Oh, I love Land Cruisers. Land Cruisers are my favourite vehicle to ride in. They just give such a good ride quality. Just doing the final clean-up. Car wash now, and we'll give him a quick rinse. I think Mitch has done the underbody wash, but I'll just give it a good clean up when I get home. So I think the next stop we're going to go to the Noosa Esplanade and just do some fishing off the jetty as the last little sort of thing we do. Obviously the tinny's not working, which is unfortunate, but that's alright. So we'll just finish up with a little bit of fishing, bit of coffee, and then we'll head home.